Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have 5 top amazing applications for you, and these applications are really amazing for WhatsApp users. So without wasting any time, let's get started here. Now with the first application, when you open this application, it will be open up like this, and here you will be getting this. Here on the top you will be getting an option to pause it. Click on that. You can able to pause the application whichever you want. Let's suppose if I click on WhatsApp, I turn it on from the top and click OK, and my WhatsApp is in the list. Now I will not get any message on WhatsApp. My internet is on, my phone is on, everything is on, but I will not get any message on WhatsApp because it is on pause. For a meeting or you're doing some important work and you don't want any messages on WhatsApp or Facebook, then you can able to pause it. So try this application. The name of the application is Pause It. Link in the description. Let's talk about the second application, and for the second application, let's go to the WhatsApp, and let's suppose if I'm chatting with someone and somebody else is trying to see my chat, where I'm chatting and to whom I'm chatting and what I'm chatting right now. Here is a solution for you. You can simply just click on this icon and you will be getting a screen on this one, and you can scroll it down the screen and hide your chat. Yes, you're traveling somewhere or somebody is sitting next to you and you don't want to show your chat, then you can able to hide your chat and you can able to chat with your person. Whenever you want to see the messages, simply see it and close it. That's it. So it will give you a privacy on your WhatsApp chat. You can hide your chat, and this mask chat you can use it on anywhere on your phone because it covers the whole phone of yours. So try this application, and the application name is Mask Chat. Simply just you have to open it and you have to turn it on from the top. Once you turn it on, you will be getting a bubble here on this Mask Chat, and then you can come out of this one and go to your WhatsApp where you want to chat. Simply click on this one and you get a screen here on your screen. So this is also an amazing application. You must check this one. The name is Mask Chat. Now let's talk about the next application. And the third application is very interesting, and let me tell you how you can able to use it. Simply you have to go to your WhatsApp chat and you have to select any of the chat. Let's suppose if I select this chat here, and then after that I have to click on the 3 dots on the top, and then I have to click on this more, click on this export chat and click on this without media, and then on the bottom I will be getting some options. This one. Now I got some options here. I have to select here Chat Analyzer. Click on this one and I will be reaching here on this Chat Analyzer application. Here on this Chat Analyzer application, where I will be getting the every single information of the chat between me and my friend. You can see this one. The total number of messages we have done, that's 1039. User would be 2 and the days would be 32. The chat we have right now. My friend has sent me 9 photos and the videos, and these are the options. And on the top there is an option stats. You can see this one. Every single information you will be getting, that how many photos I have sent, how many times I have says hi to him, and how many emojis. Every single thing you will be getting here between the chat of me and my friend. So in the same way, you can also analyze any of the chat of any group or your personal friend or anyone with this application. That is really amazing once you start doing this. So try this application, the Chat Analyzer for WhatsApp. Now let's talk about the fourth one, and the fourth one is not an application, it's a website. And for that you have to go to the Google Chrome and you have to search a website. Name is privnote.com. Yes, now on this website here you have to just type any message. Let's suppose if I type here hello, how are you, like this, and then on the bottom you will be getting so many of options. Like you are sending a message to your friend, then it will automatically get self-destruct the moment your friend will read this. And on the bottom you can enter a password here, 1234, any password you can put it there and confirm that password. And after that you can also give some options like destruction notification. You will be getting an email the moment this message will get destruct, and then you can click on this create now, and with the moment you click on this one you will be getting a link. That link, simply you have to copy that link and then go to the WhatsApp. The moment your friend will read that message, it will automatically get destroyed as well. That is an amazing thing. You can able to do the secret chatting on WhatsApp just by locking your messages, destroying the messages the moment your friend will read those messages. You should try this website as well. The name of the website is privnote.com. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the last application, and the last application is really amazing and very useful. That's a locker for WhatsApp chat. Yes, simply click on open and open this one, and it will ask you for the password which you have to create at the time of opening the application. And here just click on this plus sign here, and it will take you to your WhatsApp, and you can select the chat which you want to lock, and it will automatically comes here. See this, there is a lock on this chat. Now no one can able to open this chat without your permission. Let's go back to the WhatsApp, and if I want to open this chat, I have to enter the password. See this, if I click any of the chat here, it will be asking me the password. I have to enter the password, then only I can able to open the chat. So this will also give you the privacy. If you want that you have your private chat, you don't want to share with anyone, then you can lock the personal chat with this application as well. So these are the application I have right now for you. I hope you like all of them. Link of all these applications you will be getting in the description. Any questions, simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.